there, I'm Linda, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Art of Tea sampler packs. We've taken the guesswork out of the equation by putting 4 different teas, each showing a different array of taste profiles for each tea type. These make incredible gifts as they have a lovely presentation. They have 4 lovely tins in there displaying about 5 to 7 servings of each of those different teas, giving the user an opportunity to really taste those teas and try to see what their palate gravitates toward next. And there you have it, the Art of Tea sampler packs.